If you have been injured and are looking for a local law firm, that is a very important aspect to it, to help you out, look no farther. The CLARDY law firm has been in the upstate for years, and this morning we have Genevieve Mendez Weaver here to tell us what makes the CLARDY law firm so special. Thanks for joining us.
Well, thank you for having me again. I love coming on to get to see y'all.
When you come, we'd much rather see you than CLARDY.
Oh, well, thank you. But you know, one of these days I'm going to get him to come hang out with me.
With his bow tie.
We hang out together. We can chat with y'all.
With his little bow tie.
But we're excited. We love the upstate, and we're so excited to announce that we have a new office in Pickens, and it's our second location. So we're obviously still here in Greenville, and that's still our main home. But we're kind of excited to have a secondary home in Pickens.
Well, sure.
Why did y'all decide to go to Pickens too?
Well, we've always covered all of the upstate,
right? And
we come to see our clients if they need us and they're out in, you know, Pelzer or they're out in Cherokee. We'll drive to come see our clients if that's more convenient. We have a lot of clients out in Pickens, and this is kind of just like another opportunity for them to be able to come drop off papers, come sit with us a little bit more conveniently than all the way back in Greenville. We used to make that drive all the time to go visit them, and having the Pickens office just makes it, I think of it as having another home in the upstate. We have a Greenville home, and now we have our Pickens home. We have 3 paralegals out there. They're always there. Alan is out there a lot right now. He's really excited about this new office. Pickens is such a fabulous new little downtown, and we're just behind the courthouse on Garvin Street, 208 Garvin Street.
Well, that makes it.
That's
that makes it convenient.
That's right.
Right? Very close
when we
to
have
court.
hearings there, we can just trot up there, and I've been enjoying going about once every week or so out there, and it's quiet, it's peaceful. Clients come in, the phones aren't quite as loud over there or something. I'm not sure what it is.
Yeah, but it's a good setting.
It's peaceful, and we love what a vibrant downtown Pickens has too.
Tell me about a consult. Somebody's confused. They really need to talk to somebody.
Sure.
You offer those at no charge?
Absolutely, and that's one of the things we do all the time. We've never changed on this. This has always been the way it is. Free consultations. We don't make a dime on any case unless I am successful or Alan is successful or one of the other attorneys is successful at actually helping you and getting you what you need. A consultation is free. We will work on any case as long as we need to without charging a client up front. They're never going to be paying us per hour.
Sure.
They're never going to be paying us for every time they call the phone. That's just not how we operate.
Well, personal injury, that could be anything from a car accident to on-job, machine accident.
That's exactly right. It's a lot of car accidents, unfortunately. We have a great influx of population here in Greenville. We're excited about that, but with that has come a lot more car accidents. There's a lot more people on the road. There's so much more construction on the road that we see that a lot more. The number of car accidents is really on the rise. But not just car accidents, a lot of, unfortunately, trucking accidents. And that actually has been something that has been kind of concerning me lately, just because with all the new construction, I've been seeing a lot more severe accidents on 85, on 385, and so we help with that. There's, it's technically the same type of law, you know, car accident, truck accident, but there's a lot more detail and there's a lot more stuff that needs to be happening for a trucking accident case, and so we handle those as well.
If someone is watching and they just want to have some information to carry with them, God forbid if they're ever involved in an accident, what is the few things that they need to do right after an accident occurs? We
encourage everybody to always call the police. Call 911, let them know there's been an incident. And in fact, it's required by law. If you've been in an accident, you need to report it to the authorities.
Even if it's just like a little bitty fender bender, not a lot of damage?
Even if there's an impact, if there's damage to your car, you need to call the authorities to document that this has happened, to get the correct information from the other person, from the other truck driver, whoever it is. You need that documentation, and having the police arrive kind of certifies that's going to go the right way and you're going to get the right information. Well, so that's important.
I'm amazed you've been in business since '95.
Well, I haven't been.
You probably weren't here in '95.
I was not in Greenville in 1995, but Alan has been practicing in the upstate since 1995. And I've been with Alan now for, goodness, I think it's coming up on 7 years. And they've had our office up there on Washington, I think.
Almost right in front of Wilson's on
Washington.
Washington.
That's right, exactly. Right there, I think we're coming up on 10 years at that location. And so it's amazing how time flies.
Well, I think it's important too for people to know they see these attorneys on TV and they see these law offices, and it's like, listen, you want someone that is in your hometown. I mean, our kids go to school together.
They do.
You know, so these are like legit people that are in your town. They know the area. They know how to help get you what you want. They probably shop with you at the grocery store.
We do. I just saw one of the producers at the grocery store last week. But that's exactly right. These aren't our satellite offices in Greenville and Pickens. These are our only 2 offices, and we are there. We don't have just staff running those offices. There are 5 of us attorneys, and we are in Pickens, we are in Greenville. They're working every day. Please stop by, come see us. That's why we're there, is to meet with people.
But if we see you guys like in a commercial, there's a new one out with you.
Yeah.
But can we insist on seeing the person we know from a commercial? Can we see you if we ask for you?
Absolutely, and that's what I love, is that we are actually there. If you pick up the phone and say, I'd really like to talk to Genevieve, unless I'm on the phone with another client or in a meeting with another client, I will absolutely talk to you. And we're accessible. We're here, you know, we really are sitting at the office working, and you come by and see me, we'd love to come down and actually sit with a client. I think that's really important to us. It's one of the few things that I think we do differently than some other people. Is I think it's important to not just sit with a paralegal in the very beginning, that at least you have the opportunity to meet with an attorney. If we're driving out to Cherokee, we try really hard, if an attorney is available, to send the attorney with our paralegal.
So you get it all
So
in
we get
one.
it all in the beginning, so we're not having to call you 3 months later and be like, now what happened again?
Yes.
I'm asking the right questions on the upfront. Now, I will say, I have a phenomenal staff, and everybody there has been doing this for a long time, and I look to them sometimes with some of these insurance questions because they've been doing it for a very long time. So
Well, we
they're the
appreciate you. We
greatest.
appreciate the Clardy Law Firm. Thank you so
thank you,
much.
Genevieve.
girl.
Thank you, guys.
All right, when we come back, a new event coming to the Upstate where individuals with disabilities share their story. You'll hear from that next.